Green Design Concepts, academic projects by second-year students of Global Institute of Architecture. In today's world, sustainable architecture is an essential concept that should be adopted for a healthy environment. We as students have adopted this in different ways. This video portrays our ideas to implement the concept of sustainability. In a building, indoor environment may be as much or even more polluted than outdoor environment. Hence, there's an increasing trend towards implementing green systems inside buildings. Buildings designed in response to excessive heat imbibing traditional elements like jali, an element used in Naluketta traditional houses in Kerala, helps to force the air through small openings, cooling the air and increasing its force marginally. Aside from aesthetics, by implementation of green system inside buildings such as putting up interior plants and green walls, it also helps in indoor air quality movement, mitigate the urban heat island effect, reduce noise as well as heat gain. For any built space, its environment is important. It's like a meditative practice that brings us fully to the present moment. In this design, by providing cost-effective brick walls, it reduced heat gain and enhanced exposed brick architecture, which altogether helps in sustainability. After understanding the brief, different concepts generated by students portrayed their creativity. Concepts starting from air circulation in an anthill to even transformable kinematic structures were developed. Compressed stabilized earth bricks, commonly known as CSEB, which is one of the cheapest brick, which holds higher strength than local country fired bricks. Every project should consider ecological designs. It is to minimize the negative environmental impact of the building by efficiency in use of materials. Instead of artificial lighting, usage of natural sunlight would be highly recommendable. It can also create a playful solution between patterns of light and shadow through jali and southern walls in the concept of murmuration. Well, similar to green roof, white roofs or cool roof are provided which reflects sunlight and reduces internal heat gain. In this design, spaces are arranged according to the wind direction, which helps in direct flow of fresh air into the internal courtyard and other natural buffers. For projects like Primary Health Center, developing a concept was an immense task. Health centers are community-based, patient-directed organizations that deliver high-quality primary health care services. For concepts like tranquility in architecture would be more feasible, as it does not only help in sustainability of the building but also creates a peaceful environment for the patients as well as visitors. By providing an internal courtyard with a shallow pool helps in purifying the air, reducing the ambient temperature and maintaining the air circulation inside a building. For projects like health centers, healing environment is important. Greenery encourages faster recovery for patients, resulting in a shorter hospital stay. A person's tolerance of pain is higher in green environment. This is also known as healing environment. A green roof has many benefits at economical, ecological, and societal levels. A green roof provides a rainwater buffer, purifies the air, reduces ambient temperature, regulates the indoor temperature, saves energy, and encourages biodiversity in the city. Open cafeteria is provided where ample amount of sunlight and natural wind can be experienced by reducing the consumption to an extreme. This is also done by including earthen rigs and jarley works. In a project for designing a kiosk, the material used was bamboo. Bamboo is a renewable resource that could potentially replace slow-growing hardwood, which eventually protects the planet by avoiding deforestation and preserves our heritage. It has high durability and water resistant, which makes it better choice over hardwood. In a project of residence design, aside from its planning according to its site orientation, an internal courtyard was provided so as to achieve sustainability by natural ventilation through roof glasses and ambient cooling of air temperature from courtyard. As said before, using materials that are locally available, developing vernacular architecture is an effective method of cost cutting. Bamboo, as a natural resource, helps in building an healthy environment, along with achieving sustainability. Designing a huge building consumes a whole lot of energy. The amount of energy consumed can be reduced by lessening the usage of electricity and maximizing the use of natural light from skylights and solar panels. With this, I would like to end up with an important note, that is, sustainability must be a requirement, not a characteristic. Thank you.